Got a couple more babies. These are baby turkeys. These are straight runs, so I don't know if they're boys or girls. We won't know till they get older. And I've already forgotten the name. Something bronze. I'm gonna have to figure out what their name is, but they're supposed to be fast growing. They said within 4 months they should be about 40 pounds. And I guess generally speaking, they say they won't fly, and they'll generally just stay in the yard. If you have a fenced yard, they won't try to get out. So, come on, babies. Come on. They're not as skittish around people as chickens are, apparently, because that glutton over there, she is still skittish, but she follows you everywhere you go. So she wants to be around you, right under your feet, when she's not got her head stuck in the food bowl, which is most of the time, because she has gotten huge. And my grandson, Hudson, named her Anna. So that's going to be Anna. Anna, come check out the babies. Come here. Hey, Fatso. Come here. You want to come see the babies? So, these little guys are really cool. I have never had turkeys before. I don't know what to expect. Oh, babies. Oh, poor babies. Oops. So, we'll see. Old poopy heads. Just like Anna over there. She eats and poops. And then she poops and eats some more. Ain't that right? Oh, what is it? Ooh. She's checking them out now. Huh. So, this could be okay or this could be bad. We'll see. No, don't step in your poop. Go over here. Don't step in your poop. I gotta wipe it up. So we'll see. I have had chickens before that the older ones did not like the younger ones and pretty much pecked them down there to death. Anna is not that old yet, so she still may be young enough to where she's accepting of the little ones. But then again, she may not. So we'll see what happens whenever she encounters them. Where you going, baby? Where you going? Don't go back there. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. Here, go see Anna. Let's see what Anna does. Be nice to the babies. Be nice to the babies, Anna. No. Don't be mean. Alright, I'll see which way this is going to go. Don't be mean. Be nice. I know, baby. Anna is about 4 or 5 weeks old now. Be nice. I thought she'd still be young enough to accept these babies, but apparently not. She's already, look at her. Look at that face. Attitude. Look. Yeah. Miss Attitude. I'm going to rename you. Your name's going to be Miss Attitude. Be nice. 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 Stop it. Don't peck them babies. Alright, well. Apparently I'm going to have to stop this here because I'm going to have to separate them. I've got different boxes for them anyway. And I've got a another house for Anna coming anyway. Should be here in a couple days, so she'll be. Oh, well, what are y'all gonna do? Peck each other? What is this? Huh? Race wars? Y'all don't be racist. Stop being racist. Yeah, I'm talking to you. They're pecking each other now. They're all pecking each other. You can tell. Alright. I gotta tend to these babies. So I'm gonna stop this here. But we'll see. Baby turkeys. That's what's next. Oh, and I got a couple more chickens coming too. My if y'all remember correctly, I had 2 of them, but one of them did die just a couple days after getting it, and that happens quite often with young chickens. But my mom stopped by the store this morning and got me 2 more chicks. They're going to be young too, so if Anna's going to be like that, I may not be able to put them with her. I'll have to keep them separated, but that's fine. So we'll see. Alrighty, we will see y'all later. I'll keep you updated. I am going to post I'm going to do a video soon of the yard. I've got a lot of stuff done in the yard, planting and things put in the ground. So if you're following the Food Forest series, I'll have episode 2 up shortly. This is just a follow-up on the chickens since I just got these turkeys. So, alright, have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Just another follow-up. They're doing their call again, but now they're going to stop. There it goes. Okay, they stopped. They have this call, this high-pitched call. You can hear it at the beginning, and it gets pretty loud too. So these guys might keep me awake some at night. But it was a high-pitched do 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 do. I'll get another clip if they start doing it again really loudly. I'll get a clip of it.